Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to my third daily vlog of the summer. Thank you guys all for coming back to my channel. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, we got new puppies. We got two of them. One of their names is Apollo and the other one is Zoe. And we're going to show you right now. This is Apollo. Zoe. This is Zoe. Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Where's Zoe? You stretching? Here, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on. Hi, puppy. Hi, Zoe. Hey, you guys like the shade? They don't like the sun that much. Alright guys, so these are our new puppies. They are rescue dogs from Puerto Rico. And they're about 4.5 months. They actually are brother and sister. They're brother and sister, so they do everything together. So they also fight a lot. Guys, stop it. So as I was saying, they are rescue dogs from Puerto Rico. And they're each like 4 pounds. They're so tiny. Like I'm gonna compare Zoe, which is the smaller one out of the two. I'm gonna compare her to my hand. They're so tiny. So this is her. Fits right here. And there's Apollo. Yeah, they're so tiny. And this is Rocky, the dog we've had for a while. Just like 2. Hi, Rocky. So now we have 3 dogs running around the house. What are you doing? Like, see, they do everything together there. What are you doing? They sleep together, they do everything together, they eat together, they play with Rocky. But even when we first got them in their pen, they have this bed. They would both be able to fit in this one tiny bed, and they would still have enough room to fit all of their toys, because they used to bring all their toys. Oh yeah, this is Zoe. Say hi to the camera. Oh, what is on this foot? Say hi to the camera, Zoe. Well, hi there. This is Apollo. Say hi to the camera. He's playing with his toy that he found. Hi, Apollo. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
Lunatics.
See, they were just fighting in there.
You guys are lunatics.
Hi, Apollo. Apollo. Can't do that. Alright guys, so I'm heading to my baseball game right now, and after my baseball game, I'm actually heading to the beach. We're going to be there for a couple of days, so I'm definitely going to be filming down there, and I think I filmed a couple of videos there last year, but that's where we're going to be heading right now after my baseball game. Alright guys, so my baseball game ended, and we're here at the beach house. Bernie! Hi, boy. It's like, hey, Bernie. We're so hungry. So we're getting food right now. But it's like 11:30 right now. We're gonna eat, and then I think I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging for this vlog tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so we're here at the beach. It's the next morning. This will be the end of the vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.